We need to obtain the derivative of y with respect to x whenever y is given by this particular infinite series. So let's begin with the function y. So here we can represent y as y equals to square root of cosine of x plus, so this we can replace this entire expression with y. It would mean exactly the same thing. Now we'll square both sides to get y squared equals to cosine of x plus y. We'll transpose y to the left hand side to get y squared minus y equals to cosine of x. Now we'll take derivative of each term on both the two sides. So we have derivative with respect to x of y squared minus derivative of y with respect to x equals to derivative with respect to x of cosine of x. Now derivative of y squared, here we can use the power rule to get 2y, but since we have y here, we'll need to use the chain rule. We'll multiply the derivative of y with respect to x minus derivative of y with respect to x equals to derivative of the cosine function is negative sine x. Now we can take negative as the common factor, so this will get multiplied to negative 2y plus 1 multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x equals to negative sine x, and we finally get derivative of y with respect to x equals to positive sine x divided by 1 minus 2y. So this is the required derivative of y with respect to x.